Light crude market has been just perfect. You can look at these cyclical periods, and here now those yellow zones are periods of risk. That is where these troughs are matching up right over here, where there's a synchronicity that you can see here and here and here. And yes, coming out over here. We've been very bearish on the oil market, and this oil market remains bearish. Momentum in here is negative. When I go to the daily chart, you can see the beautiful cyclicality that's going on in here right now. This rally is coming up just where it's supposed to, right in here, with the resistance levels between 61.40, which it got through, and right over here around $65. I would expect that it would stop in here unless there's some uh, geopolitical problems that come up that would push oil up. But OPEC Plus, they're producing plenty of oil, and the only thing could stop that is if all of a sudden everybody stopped buying Russian oil, and for some reason they got a shortage of oil. But U.S. is creating a lot of oil also, so the probability of a shortage in oil is pretty small right now. So I would say, looking at this charts right over here, that the probability of this rally failing is high. The probability of this decline on the weekly chart coming out to mid-January to mid-February is also high. So that means that I'm looking for failure. I would be a seller in here in the oil market. If it got over 65, I would then get more cautious on the short side and start to think, well, maybe something a little better is going on. So I think the probability of getting under $55 over the next several months is very high.